Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1990 ECE paper, and this is one more question related to electronics. SCR, silicon control rectifier, can be turned on by A. Applying anode voltage at a sufficiently fast rate, B. Applying sufficiently large anode voltage, C. Increasing the temperature of SCR to a sufficiently large value, D. Applying sufficiently large gate current. So how can SAR can be turned on? Out of these four options, which are going to be right? Okay. So these are the different thyristor. SAR is also called as thyristor. Thyristor turning on methods. So first one is forward voltage triggering. Forward voltage triggering is nothing but we are applying a forward voltage. That is, we are applying a voltage, anode voltage, positive anode voltage, which is greater than forward breakover voltage, such that the SCR can be turned on. So if you apply sufficiently large anode voltage that should be greater than forward breakover voltage, then SCR can be turned on. So B can be the answer. So B can be answer first of all. And second one, gate triggering. Gate triggering is nothing but by applying sufficient voltage between the gate and cathode. Between the gate and cathode, we can make SCR to turn on. So whenever we are applying sufficient amount of voltage, that makes the current to be induced such that the SCR can be turned on. So which implies nothing but here it is. D also be the right answer. Applying sufficiently large gate current, you can make the SCR turn on. And third one, dV by dt triggering. Look at the first option. Applying anode voltage at a sufficiently fast rate. Applying anode voltage at a sufficiently fast rate is nothing but dV by dt triggering. That is, change in anode voltage with respect to time has to be fast. So dV by dt triggering is nothing but applying anode voltage at a fast rate. So A can be the answer. Next, increasing the temperature of SCR to a sufficiently large value. So by using this one is also SCR can be turned on. That is nothing but temperature triggering. So all four options are going to be right, but the most common method is nothing but D. D is the most common method out of all. So SCR can be turned on by applying sufficiently large gate current, that is by applying large gate voltage, which method is called as gate triggering. Okay, so the right option for this one is all the above. Okay, all are going to be answers, but the most preferred answer is nothing but D.